There's a lot of demand from customers about having aluminium chromium nitride coatings with HiPIMS process. A lot of our customers are very happy with our coatings like ferrocon, steelcon, alucon, which are used for machining of steel, stainless steel, and aluminium alloys. I am Manish Adwani, Managing Director of CemeCon Coating Private Limited. CemeCon is worldwide leader in HiPIMS and diamond coating technologies. At EMO 2025, we are displaying our solutions for automotive components machining, dental, medical technology, electronic industries, die and mold machining. Please visit our booth and have a look at the latest multicon coating and diamond coatings.